Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on CoinStats. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in coinstats.app and press enter. You will then be taken into the official CoinStats website, from which if you haven't logged into your account already, you will see the sign in button at the top right corner, which you can click on and then proceed with your credentials. After logging into your account, you will end up within this homepage, from which, if you wish to delete your account, you will need to click on the account icon at the top right corner. From there, click on your username and you will end up within your profile page. Now, underneath profile page, you will find the account settings button, so go ahead and click on it. Underneath account settings, there is the one and only option which says delete account. Alongside this option, you will also find the delete button. Click on delete and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to delete your account. Click on the delete button once again if you are sure that you want to delete your account, and you might be asked for a final confirmation by clicking on a link within your email address. So check your inbox and you will find a link that you will need to click on to finalize your account deletion. After clicking on this link, your account deletion process will begin. So once this process begins, make sure you don't log into your account, otherwise this will terminate the account deletion process. Just wait until you receive a confirmation from the CoinStats team within your email, and when you receive this confirmation, this means that your account has fully been deleted. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on CoinStats. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.